Hello everyone, Alejandro here, and if you're watching this video, that means our Black Friday sale is live. Stay tuned. We wanted to do something very special this year. We see other brands doing 15%, 25%, even 30% off, and that's not Black Friday. We wanted to do Black Friday done right, and with that said, we're offering 50% off on all of our boots. On top of that, we have a brand new collection, and we're releasing our new collection for 50% off as well. We have our harness boots, we have our Jodhpur boots, our side sit boots, our Chelsea boots. We have the best quality boots out there at an unreasonable, crazy price. So if you haven't done so, make sure you check them out in the description below. And we are super thankful for all of our customers, all of our supporters. You guys have been amazing to us. You know, we are a small family-owned business, and just see our growth since we first started has been extremely amazing. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts for everything that you guys do for us. For those of you that can't afford our shoes, or we know there's people in financial situations, I want you to know that we have giveaways. Make sure you sign up to our email list where we give shoes, we give discount codes. There's always something going on at Caballero. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. And with that said, also, we have Afterpay available. What that means is you can buy the shoes now and pay later. So we're here for you. Phone support, text message, you name it, email, whatever you need, we're here for you. We can't wait to see you walking in our shoes. Create a great day, everyone.